Hello guys, today we will show you how to dual boot Windows and Ubuntu using Wubi. So first off, we will go to the Ubuntu website so you become familiar with how the Ubuntu website looks and just some of the features of Ubuntu. So this is the Ubuntu website, as you can see. First off, before we start the installation, we will go to take a tour just to show you a little bit about Ubuntu. And this to take a tour feature on the website pretty much just shows you the layout of Ubuntu 11.10. As you can see, the desktop environment is GNOME 3. These are all your items on the side right here. The home folder is pretty much like your personal folder on Windows, as you can see. Like if you go over to pictures, it'll have all the public pictures you have, such as what Windows would have. So then we go to, let's go back to the website. If you go over to the next tab, features, it'll show you the different features that Ubuntu has to offer, as you can see. In the what's new, it'll show you what's new to Ubuntu 11.10. One of the main things that's new is using the GNOME 3 desktop environment. It's probably one of the biggest features they added. There's different applications you could add onto Ubuntu. The why use Ubuntu tab shows you all the benefits of using Ubuntu. There's virtually almost no viruses on Ubuntu. It's free, which is one of the main reasons people use it. Now we will go to the download tab, where we will actually begin the download of Ubuntu and the installation with Windows. So we will go to Run with Windows right here, and if you actually go to run the download file, and it'll say Wubi forum, a little tab right here, where if you click on that, it will bring up the Ubuntu forum, and it has a specific topic for Wubi. So if there's any questions beyond the scope of this video on Wubi or on Ubuntu, you could always come here, get your questions answered. It's a very friendly community. So go to download now to actually download the Ubuntu installer. And once it is finished downloading, it'll look something like this, where you could choose the install drive on which you want to install it. You could allocate the space for Ubuntu. You could choose the desktop environment. I'm going to go ahead and just choose Ubuntu. The different languages you want to run it as, varied language. You could create a username for Ubuntu, and you could set a password for Ubuntu. And once you're finished with the installation, download process and all that, once you reboot your computer, it'll look something like this, where you could choose between Windows and Ubuntu. And if there's ever a need to uninstall Ubuntu, the process is very simple. You just head over to your control panel, and then from there you go to the Add and Remove Programs tab. Just gotta wait for this to load. And from here you just go down to Ubuntu and you click uninstall, and it's as simple as that. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something.